Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited about this. Joanne Garber sent me a present and I haven't looked. Well, I looked a little bit. Okay, I peeked just a little bit, but yeah, look, there's glitter. I have to peek. Gotta peek. So I peeked a little bit and then I nosed around in, apparently her daughter makes these. So I snuck around in her daughter Melissa's Etsy shop, which makes me three times more excited to get this present because wow. That's all I can say is wow. You have to go check them out, and I will leave the link in the description. This is a cheesy shout out and was not requested. So, but just wow. And the girl is gorgeous. Joanne, you must be really pretty because your daughter is beautiful. So I'm not going to read you the personal card. So it just came with the card, and we're not going to get all sappy. So I know this is. Well, I really don't because it kind of. I'm guessing what it is, but it doesn't feel up here like what I think it is. So we'll see. Oh my gosh, look at this. And you're gonna laugh. We just bought straws today. And they're reusable straws. I love these. With a bottle brush. Oh, look at that. Perfect, Joanne. Oh my god. Okay, I'm really excited about this. You have no idea. Because the next thing, it just peaked a tiny bit. I told her I was going to open it up on camera, but you can't blame a girl for being attracted by glitter. Like, everything that's good has glitter on it. So, I kind of know, you see I peaked a little bit, but I don't know, like, what it totally is. Okay, so I know what it is. I peeked. I'm really bad. I opened everybody's presents under the tree the day before. I didn't know that. Okay, I didn't know that. I just thought it was a big tumbler. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look, 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 look. How did she do this? Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Color My World. I have nothing that says Color My World on it. This is now on my desk permanently. I can't believe this. Behind every artist who believes in themselves is a teacher who believed in them first. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Oh my god. And you should see some of the other things her daughter does. Oh, just beautiful. And I love these type of drink tumblers. And here is her card. They're handmade. Look at them. They're so nice. You have to look online at them. Tumbler care. Hand wash only. Do not soak. Do not dishwasher safe. Not microwave. No, it's not. Definitely not. It's metal. Oh, this is great. Okay, so again, I'm shouting this out. Just a dream creations with two S's at Etsy.com. And her name is Melissa. Go check her out. I'm blown away, Joanne. I don't own anything like this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. I love this. I love this. I love this. Thank you. Well, I have another piece of happy mail, but this one is a bit of a mystery. I opened up my mail, and in it was the blade for my Taihu pencil sharpener. Now, the problem is I didn't order this. I did mention that I needed it and that I hadn't ordered it yet. And then it appeared in my mailbox. So please, whoever did this, fess up, because that drives me crazy and you are such a sweetheart. So it's only addressed from SST Enterprise in Silverton Avenue. But there was no card, nothing in it to identify who sent this. So whoever it was, thank you. Really, I really appreciate it. Color It has done it again, and they just came out with their Mandalas 5. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to open it right now. And you guys know, I love Color It books. They're always the same. You can always count on them to be the same. Great paper, usually great artists that help them and do the artwork. Fantastic cover. This is, again, the same as all the others. Very nice. And surprisingly, Color It is, I'm going to knock my pencil sharpener over. Color It is a sponsor for the giveaways on this channel. If you are one of the lucky winners today, you're going to get a coloring book from Color It. That's a tongue twister. But I don't know which one. That one, that's like, I guess it's a surprise because we didn't get that far, and I just give them your address and they send it right over to you. This is the first time you're seeing this. Okay, so let's take a look at it together. Their usual, this book belongs to. Oh, I love it already. First page and I love it. Oh, beautiful. Now, if you guys were around for when my husband was in the hospital, I survived that doing mandalas and just being zen, and I needed these books. I practically was holding on to them for dear life, and whenever I got stressed, it was like pencil, mandala, and I was coloring them. I was literally doing one a day. Very nice. I always wonder how they do this. I know it's computer generated, I guess, some way, because it's perfect. But I don't know, maybe I'm going to do one of these in ink. Like, if you've seen these done in ink, they're beautiful. Oh, this one is really nice. This one would drive me crazy. This one would drive me insane. Oh my god. Oh, I love this one. Sweet. This is another one I would like to do. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Do you guys like to do mandalas? They were so relaxing. But I like doing the bigger ones myself. That's a personal preference. Because I like to get all fancy. But like the smaller ones are good for relaxation too. This by hand. Like you go on Instagram and they do the mandalas by hand. And it's just amazing. Or the henna things that they do on the hands. Just beautiful. Oh, there's so many of them in here I want to do. I think this is going to be my favorite book out of all the mandalas, and I think I have all 5 of them now. I think this is my favorite, which I say every time they come out with a new book. So like I have like a million of my favorites. This is brand new, right out. Oh, I could see me doing this one, even though it's really, it looks in the camera, it looks more intense. In real life, it doesn't look as intense because I don't usually gravitate to the small. And this one, I don't know, it looks different. I'm looking in my camera viewfinder. They're not as busy as they appear. Sweet. I've never done one with the like lines like this that intersect like that. Oh, nice. I could see this being done in Christmas colors, can't you? This could be done like a poinsettia. Very nice. Just a couple more. They remind me of the New York the New York City subway system. They have like some mandalas down there. And that's the new book. Great job, as usual. You can get their books at colorit.com, or they are available on Amazon if you prefer to buy through Amazon. And they are perforated, so you just have to take out one if you want, or you can color right in the book. And then you use this if you're using marker or something that goes through. They always have an extra thing at the beginning that you could tear out and use as an under thing. Members, okay, there's a scan me on here. I don't even know how do you do that? I don't know how to use these things. And they're showing up more and more. And I know I once was like looking at something on my computer, and I had my camera on, and there was a scan me there, and it scanned the computer thing. It scared me. I was like, oh, me and technology, no. And complementary, analogous, triad, very nice. Oh, color it, you did it again. And oh, you guys sticking around for something? Like maybe the prize drawing? Okay, before I pick out the names for this week, I know I've gotten a lot of mail, and I get it every single time I do a drawing, that there are like computer programs that would do this. It's not, I looked into it, it's not going to save me any time. Any of the fancier ones are expensive. The freebies just pull a number, and I have to write out the names anyway. So it's not really saving me all that much time, you know, maybe just from folding up the numbers. But I'm so far, look how far I'm into this, you know, so I might as well just pick my three, you know, just do it by hand. I'm old school. I'm not good with technology. I'm not 100% sure how you film that. So I like to, and I got a cover, so I could pick my names out of the cover from under the, okay, I have 1, 2, and let's get it from the bottom, 3. Okay. Three. Okay. Now the first one will be, I have to write this down. So we have 3 prizes. The first one is going to be, we'll make it the color it. The second will be the surprise. And the third will be the STARJOY. Okay. The last time I did this, I had to like go back and watch the video because I didn't want to screw it up. Let it slip out. Okay. We've got 752. Okay, 752 was for the color it. Okay, we have 2 left. Wait, I just want to slip out. Okay. Oh, another 700. We have 713. And the last number we have 3259. 3259. All right. Now we got to find out who they are. Let's just leave that up here. Get rid of this. This is going to take me a while. We'll just sit here and wait. So are you guys doing shopping? I've done like nothing yet. I haven't bought anything yet. Okay, we got the first one. Oh, I got it here. Okay. The first number for 752 is Diana Fleming. Diana Fleming, you have won a Color It book. The next one is for the surprise gift, and that's 713. And we have Donna Robertson. Okay, Donna, you get a surprise. And now we have the third and final one. Okay, we got the last one. And that's 3259. And let's see. We have 3259. Peg O. Congratulations. And that's for the STARJOY Gold pencil set. If you're among our winners tonight, just send me an email at howtoadultcolor, all one word, at gmail.com. That's howtoadultcolor@gmail.com. And I will get your prizes right out to you. Congratulations to all the winners. Every Sunday, we draw 3 prizes. All you need to do is like, comment, subscribe under this video, and your name is added to the bowl. I draw the 3 prizes every Sunday up until Christmas. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.